Okay, so here is a after catback installation on my 4.6 liter 2019 Toyota Tundra. You can see it's got now the tailpipe on the driver's side and the passenger side. Pretty simple installation. It was 4 bolts. They are, I believe, 14 millimeter that connect the catback to the existing exhaust. They did need to get heated up. Mine has 80,000 miles. It's an East Coast truck, but it's not real bad when it comes to rust. It's in great shape in that regard. And then you have to torque all the bolts that come with the Borla exhaust. So anyways, enough talking. Let's let you hear what it sounds like. Worth mentioning, this truck does have a cold air intake, but I have a before video and an after. So here we go. I'm gonna fire it up. Gives you the outside. Let's take a look inside. Just to show you, underneath you can see the catbacks, the new connections. Follow something through. Truck with new cold air intake. Yeah. Okay, so we're in the cab. Windows are closed. And here we go. Put the rear windows down. So I unlock them. The cold air intake really adds a nice touch to this whole thing. I don't know if you can hear it. It's got definitely a little throaty sound to it. Anyways, hope it helps you with your decision.